Hi guys, so I'm going to be recording a tiny haul of some stuff that I received from a family member or some family members. It's just some stuff for me personally and for my kids and stuff like that. So I'm just going to show you and say thank you to my family for sending these stuff and some stuff that I bought also um over the couple months. So yeah, I'd like to say thank you to my family very much. I really appreciate it. You guys don't even know, like truly really. So yeah, anyways, yeah, so let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm going to start off with, I guess, one of my favorite things, and many of you guys don't know, but I actually started out being in love or liking, not in love because I'm in love with makeup, liking nails. And I was doing nails before I started doing makeup. Anywho, not story time now. I got some nail polish and I got a few. So I got this color here, and this is super fine, and this is from Urban Outfitters. So yeah, you can find this at urban urban outfitters if you're in the States or in Canada. So yeah, this is finger paint, and this is in hue left a massage, or hue left a message. Anyways, yeah, it's a pretty glitter. I had it on some time ago. It's very beautiful. I really like this. This is a OPI glitter peel off. It's a base, you can put it on the glitter, so I paired it with this, and it made taking this glitter off so easy, so easy. I just peel it off, like, you know, those nail polish that as little girls you get in those kits. It was like that. So yeah, I also got another color from OPI. I love this also. I was wearing this. I love these dark colors. See my lip? We'll soon talk about that. This from Revlon. This Sally Hansen gel polish, very nice also. This I really like this. I love nude kind of colors on my nails, and probably in the summertime I probably do colors, but most of the time I like these colors or the deep rich colors. Yeah, so this is a orangey red, and this is from Essie. This is called Really Red. It looks a little bit orange, like it has a orange undertone, but it's called Really Red. I have two more. This is from Absolute New York nail lacquer with hardener, and this is in prune. It's kind of a, yeah, pruny color, not so much plum, but prune. Really nice color. And then there's this soft lilac color, and this is called Care to Dance, and it's spelled DANSE, Care to Dance. Yeah, so this is another OPI. I don't know if this come in any collection. You guys can ask me. I really don't know. So yeah, that's it for the nail polish. Alright, so the next things is from this bag. Just a bag of stuff. I'm just going to pull stuff out. And the first thing are these palettes. And yeah, they're Revlon Color Stay, and it is in Goddess. It's a pink and grey tone palette, and then a green tone palette called Luscious. Yeah, they're quite pretty. I don't know if I will be using them because I have a few quads in these shades, so I might do a giveaway. I'm not sure, might not, because I might just end up liking them and trying to use them, you know, makeup hoarder. But yeah, Then there's this Pearl FX High HD Primer Moisturizer, and yeah, this is a primer. I'll be putting this in my kit to use. So yeah, I'm really grateful for this because I really needed a new primer for my kit. Alright, so another, I have another palette. It's also a quad. This is from L'Oreal Paris, and it's also a green tone shade. It's called Army Brat, you know, army, because it has the army colors, the greens. So yeah, that's that. um by the way, I know what's in this bag already, a few stuff. I've had this down, sitting down for a while, so I kind of forgot some of the stuff that is in here. This is a Sephora eyelash. You guys won't see it properly because this thing won't focus, but yeah, Sephora, it's called Hipster Lash. Yeah, it's quite flirty. It's wispy, not like the wispies, but it's wispy. It's flirty kind of lashes. I really like it. I can't wait to try it. I got this Essie, the nail corrector. You use it to correct your nails, like if you make a mistake on your nails or mess up the side of your nails, you just use this. I have been using this. There's also this NYS plumping lip gloss. Yeah, I'm interested to try this because I've never used a plumping lip gloss, so I don't know what it's like. And I saw Aaliyah J talking about this, I don't remember the brand, plumping lip gloss, and she talks about it a lot. She says she loves it, so I want to see what it's like, see if I'd like it. I really like her. She's pretty. What else is in here? Alright, so the next thing is this Clinique lash doubling mascara. Can't wait to try this. I love mascara, guys. If you did not know, I love mascara. I love you making my lashes pop. Yes, so I can't wait to try it and see how it works, if it is better than my drugstore mascara, which is where is it this Falsies by Maybelline, or the other one that I rave about, the Great Lash, Maybelline Great Lash. So I hope it's better than those two. So yeah, Clinique. There's also a Dior Show Maximizer Primer mascara in here. I've never tried a mascara primer. Never saw the need to, but I am interested in seeing how this works. I might do a before and after kind of thing, or a first impression on this. Tell me what you think. Tell me down below. Alright, and when I saw this, I screamed. Y'all see that? Y'all see that, right? Y'all see that, right? YSL lipstick in, there's no name. I see 108 and some other numbers. There's no name, but yeah, this YSL lipstick, if y'all know makeup, y'all know YSL is the brand, or one of the top brands. So yeah, I was excited to see this. It's a pretty pink. Just going to swatch it a little. It's a pretty pink gloss right there. Yeah, sorry looking over there because I have to see if I'm in focus and stuff. Next is my Estee Lauder Pure Color Lipstick. It's, ooh, here it is. It's a pretty pink. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. And here is the swatch. It's a pretty color, not an everyday wear for me because I like neutral stuff, but I do like this. Right. Alright, so next is the Lancome. What's this? The Hypnosis Doll Lashes. Ooh, doll lashes. Yes, you know I'm gonna play with this. So another mascara. I think this is a sample size mascara. So yeah, I have no problem with that. I'm getting to try different brands that I would never get to try, cause you know, girls in Jamaica, she can't afford them stuff. Not yet, at least. Preach it. I will be affording this and more in the future. Watch. But yeah. Yeah, so yeah, mascara, Lancome. What else? There's another mascara. This is the Smashbox Full Exposure Sample Mascara. You know, I'm glad to see this because I've heard Shayla, all them beauty gurus on Snapchat that I follow talk about this or rave about this, and I love mascara, so I want to try this to see if my mascara go say 10. Not even 1. 10 to go say enough. So yeah, can't wait. What's next? There's also this NARS matte lip pencil. It is in the color Cruella. When I initially got this, I googled this. It's a very popular color. It's a red. It's comparable to Ruby Rouge I also have from MAC. So yeah, it's a pretty color. There's also this L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black Liner Intense. You know, I want to try this, but I'm not going to. I'm going to put this in my kit out because I need another liquid liner for my kit. So I'm going to put this in my kit because I already have one using. I don't need two. I only have 2 eyes. I'm gonna need 2 liquid liner for 2 eyes. Anyways, so yeah. Bam, I got 2 MAC lip glosses, my first MAC lip glosses, and they're in Rebel, a purple. You know who like purple, so I was happy to see this color. And Baby, oh Baby, this, I have heard this name over and over on YouTube back in the days. Oh Baby, it's a nice glittery, so you can put it over the top of a color and it transforms the color to something else. So yeah, 2 matte lipsticks. Then there's the MAC Prep and Prime. I'll be putting this in my kit to use for like my brides and stuff, so the lips last longer. So yeah, Prep and Prime, the if you don't know what it is, it primes the lips for lipstick so it lasts longer. The Prep and Prime line is for before you add your makeup and stuff. And then there's this Dior Show Brow Styler Gel, and it is, if I can remember correctly, yeah, a gel that you just run through your brows to set them, and it is in translucent or transparent, and I'll be putting this in my kit, so like when I do my face, like, because I normally do eyebrows then eyes, so when I put on the powder and all of that, it generally gets in the eyebrows, so I'm going to use that when I'm through and like comb out the foundation powder out of the brows and stuff like that. Next is la la the Laura Mercier, however you want to pronounce it, tinted moisturizer. And you know who I would not be getting this if it wasn't for my family, because I can't afford this yet, not yet, but yeah, I'm gonna try this and let you guys know how I feel about it. I want to thank my family. You guys know who you are. I don't need to call no names, no nothing. I really have to thank my family, because yeah, these little things mean, it's makeup, but it means a lot to me. I really have to thank you guys, like, thank you. So next is the Lancome rejuvenating lift multi-action. And I was excited to see this because I've been thinking, girl, you know you're getting older and you need to take care of your skin. I realize that I'm getting really dark under eyes because I barely sleep during school time and I stress a lot, so I need to take care of myself. So I was glad to see this so I can try and see if I see a difference in my skin, even though they say black don't crack. Because if I tell you guys that I'm 25, some of y'all wouldn't believe it. If y'all see me in person, that is, y'all would not believe it. Right? I look like 16. An old 16, not older. No? I see them. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to try this out and see if it works and stuff. So yeah. Then there's this bio oil. If you don't know this stuff, baby, get you some. I've gotten a test of this and I really like this. Good for your skin. Kind of use it on your face to prevent stuff. It's for scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone. It's anti-aging and it hydrates skin. So if you have dry skin, get you this. If you're getting up in age, get you some of this. Scars, everything, baby mother, if it rub it on the stomach, if you don't want to get stretch mark, bio oil. Yeah, so I also got to do your sharpener. You always need a sharpener made for your lip and eye pencils. It's better, not the normal sharpener. Please stop. Get a proper sharpener for your pencils. And then there's these shadow shields. I've never used blotting sheets, not shadow shields, blotting sheets before, so I'm interested in trying this. I could have probably used it today, but yeah, that's the least no problem. I'm going to try these. So yeah, that's the end of what's in this. Alright, so what else is there? I also got this. This is 125. Yes, I think it's a 125. Yeah. Alright. And as a pro artist, can never have enough colors, shades, or whatever. Some might say yes, you can have too much, but I don't think so. Like, I need more actually. And I'm kind of happy for this color because I love these red, can't see it good, but these red brown, these earth brown colors to put in the crease. So yeah, and I want to get the Morphe palette, the 35 that everybody and their mama is trying to get. I know that I see that they have the shimmery one. I want that too. Somebody can buy it, send it to me, please. But yeah, So I got this, and last not but last, like it's not the last thing, I also got this Estee Lauder double wear. I'm thinking this is a sample also because I've not seen this online. So yeah, you have the double wear concealer on this, and I've been using this because I've had this for a while. And the lip gloss, actually matches the lipstick that I showed earlier. So yeah, sorry if you guys hear the noise. I can't help it. Like I can't. I live on the main road, as I've said before. Okay, so the last few things are some sample items that I got to try. I've not tried all of them. I have this Estee Lauder Takeaway makeup remover lotion and the Perfectly Clean Splash Away cleanser. I have used this. You'll soon see. I have used this before. I also have the Estee Lauder Gentle Eye makeup remover, the gentle one. I got some Vichy products, some Vichy Lift Active and a cleanser. I also got a, I don't know what this is, a Lancome double action eye makeup remover. I will be using these stuff to see if I necessarily need an eye makeup remover because I've been taking off my makeup fine. I might be doing a my makeup removing routine soon, so wait for that. You can check that out soon, hopefully, if it records, if the video is recorded properly. But anyways, there's also this Lancome Dream Tone. Don't know what that is. I'm interested in finding out what that is. I got two of those actually, and yeah, the Vichy stuff and the Clarisonic cleanser. So yeah, I got a few sample stuff to try. Hopefully after trying them I can get a hold of them, because you know these stuff are expensive, especially the Lancome stuff. They are pricey, so yeah. Just putting this back. So yeah, those are the few items that I got. No, wait, I have to speak about this. So I went to the makeup show. That is a delayed vlog. You should be seeing it soon. Crossed my fingers. I get to record it like tonight, or not record it, like edit it tonight to put up next week. So yeah, I've been putting out my delayed vlogs like rapid, or trying to, because my computer broke down for a while, so I couldn't edit them and put them up, and now that it's back up and I'm finished with school, so I have the time. I'm trying to get all of them out. But anyways, I went to the makeup show and I stopped at a booth. It is called Naturals Pure Oils and Cosmetics, and they sell black soap, African black soap and African black soap shampoos. I saw them in Fontana today actually. They had 50% off. Sorry, that's my phone. They had 50% off their items also, but you can find them in stores. They're in Nicole's, they're in Fontana. But yeah, I got this black soap and I love black soap. This thing actually works. This works like a gym. So I have a piece that I've been using in the bathroom, so I just cut it off and put piece in the bathroom because I don't want, anyways, I don't want this to get wet and get soggy and just dissolve away. So that's what I do. So you guys can check out Naturals Pure Oils and Cosmetics. Yeah, check them out. My friend also bought their shampoo, so probably my friend Chantal, you saw her in one of my vlogs, my previous vlogs. So you could probably, I could probably get her to speak about them and stuff. So yeah, anyways, bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, and once again thank you to my family members who sent these items to me. I really appreciate it. It helped me to be able to try some new brands as a makeup artist. And nail polish, I love nail polish, I love changing my nails, I love to pamper myself at times. So yeah, I really thank you guys for sending this stuff. Check out Natural Pures, guys, my followers. Probably soon I'll be doing a what's in my kit, because I actually got a train case but I can't bother to lift it up right now. A small train case to add to my other carrying implements or stuff to carry my makeup. So yeah, bye guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember, not member, so Jamaican, remember to wear the best you for the world to see. Smile of it, signing out from 876 Barbies. Love you guys. Why does it take so much out of me to record a video? Because I'm tired. Just got it in, and yeah. Anyways, what's that? Please make it normal, please. Let's get moving.